Okay, today's video deals with changing the bearing inside a pulley for the Ford Expeditions and F-150s. The bearing number you need is a 6203-2RSJ. I got mine from NAPA. It was about 12 bucks. I think it was money well spent, better than spending 40-50 bucks on the pulley. So to drive out the old bearing, I'm just using a small sledge. You could use a regular hammer and an old beat up socket. Since we're not worried about saving the bearing, you don't have to have the perfect size. But you start driving it through, and then it's up. Now I don't have the new bearing. I've already done it to a couple of different pulleys. But when you've got your brand new bearing, you want to make sure that the socket you use has enough surface area to cover the outside brace of the bearing. And this is where a little bit of finesse comes in instead of brute force. Some bearings you do from the back, so we'll try and do it from the back. So you put your bearing in place, and then you just start. You want to go around to try and push it in nice and even. And once it starts going in, it usually goes relatively simple. Just keep an eye on it, look at the bearing, make sure you got it going even. And voila, it's done. Ready to go back on the vehicle. Quick and easy, and saves you about 30 bucks just for the pulley, and probably close to 70 bucks for the tensioner pulley.